So hi friends, in this video we will see the implementation of DML command. DML stands for data manipulation language, in which select, insert, update, delete commands are there. So first of all, we will select the database we want to use. For this we will use college database. After selecting the database, we will see the available tables. So there are many tables available. From that we can see the student database. So for that, as of now, you can see the first command is select. So select command is used to retrieve data from a table. In this way, the data is retrieved from the table. The table contains roll number, name, marks, etc. So after that, there is a command insert. So for inserting data into the table, means adding data into the table, we use insert command. In this way, data is inserted into a table. So to ensure data is inserted or not, we can again retrieve the data. So you can see that there is a roll number 60, name Yash, and marks 55 record is added. After that, we can see update command, where update from students. So this kind of syntax will be right for update command. Also update command is implemented as here we change the marks of roll number 1. After that, delete we will delete the record with the roll number 1. In this way, we have also implemented the delete command. To see these changes occur or not, we will again retrieve the data from student table. So as of now, you can see there is no roll number 1 data available in this table. So in this way, we have implemented our DML commands. So in the next video, we will see data control language command. For that, please subscribe, like, and thank you so much for watching this video.